on to consolidation, expansion. Let's use for today. Let's use dollar CAD as a pair for examples. Okay, so we do have we have consolidation, and then we have expansion, we have retracement, we have another expansion, and then price goes into consolidation again. We have another consolidation again, and then price goes to expansion, and then after the expansion price went into a consolidation, and then price rejected, and then went up. By trading below this low, we had expansion, a little bit of a retracement, and then went to consolidation, expansion. Right, and then we have another expansion, and then once we had this huge expansion, price retraced a little bit. For right, price came down a little bit and went into some prolonged we went into a prolonged sideways market consolidation, and then after the consolidation we had what, expansion, and after expansion price went to a little bit of retracement, and then we had another consolidation, and then we had an expansion, and since then we've been dropping gradually, and this drop has not been as sorry, I had to do something on my son because he's just being a dad, right? Sorry. Okay, so we had price now going into some form of a prolonged expansion, but this expansion has not been like this one. Okay, it's been very slow, and that's what I mean, and that's why I'm being careful on here. Why? Because there might be a chance that price can just snap up. Okay, because if I want to see, this is a consolidation. If I want to see expansion, this is not the kind of expansion I want to see. I want to see this. Okay, if it's expanding, I want to see this. I don't want to see a down, up, down, up, down, up. This is a form of accumulation. Okay, it's a form of a sideways market, but gradually grinding down. It's picking up orders. That's what is going on. It's picking up orders, and anytime this thing can snap up. All right. I think there was an example on this thing some time ago. It was just gradually, here we go, here, okay, it was gradually coming down, and then one day, boom, it cleaned out all this, right? It cleaned out all of that. And that's why I'm being cautious when I see this kind of move gradually grinding down into a higher time frame level. I am very cautious, okay, because it's happened to me before, where price was meant to expand down, but it went down in a piece by piece, retrace down. This is another form of sideways market. It's just like this, picking up orders, but they are killing accounts like they are doing here. They're doing same thing here, because what's happening here is people are trying to buy it, and then when they buy it, gives them joy and then kill them, gives them joy and then kill them. Okay, that's picking up the other side of their trade. So pushing it up, people will buy it and then they will sell it to them, and then it will close them out. People will buy it, sell it to them. What they're gonna do here, place their stop loss, it will hit them, and then they will pick up all the buys, and then as soon as they got all the buys that they need, then this didn't happen, right? So that's why I'm cautious on this, because that's something similar I'm seeing in here. Okay, so this thing can snap up and go against you, so be mindful. So that's our example of the consolidation, expansion, retracement, and reversal. So reversals usually comes in at high time frame levels. So when you're looking for a reversal, it has to be if you're on the daily, looking for daily direction, reversal will come in at maybe a weekly level or a monthly level. So if you've not traded to a monthly or weekly level, then you don't have a reversal yet, or above a daily high. So if, let's say, price is going up, okay, if price is going up, you just have to keep buying until it reverses against you. The reversal will come in the form of a rate above a high, or this could be a weekly time frame level. Okay, so if it's a weekly time frame level, then that can cause price to reverse. If it's not a weekly time frame level, then it will continue going up. Okay, and that should be it for our consolidation episode. The next one is the weekly profile, and this is the one I told you to go and study. You can see how they made Tuesday the low of the week, as I was saying since yesterday. The fact that they've run this low, they've run previous week low here, and run this low and rejected and traded above this. This is an indication that this low is going to be the low of the week, and we could push up, and then probably, because we are bearish on the whole time frame, we could go up till Thursday, tomorrow, and then Thursday will cap the high of the week, and then price will just scream back all the way down and take out this low. Okay, that's typical, like this, right? Okay, it could do that. That price will go up till Thursday, and then Thursday we have a reversal. Friday price will scream all the way back down again. It is possible. Okay. Another one we had was Euro New Zealand. I did mention again the fact that we've traded above previous week high. We rated it on Monday, and then price reject. So this could be the high of the week, and then price will come all the way back down, and then if it's going to continue going up, it's going to reverse, and then with the reversal we're gonna scream all the way back up. Maybe on a Thursday, not today, on a Thursday, price will reverse and then scream all the way back up and continue on to take out this high. Okay, that's the weekly profile. If you spend time studying this, you're gonna see a lot of things on the chart. Right? Just spend time to study the weekly profile.